10 odd foods that help repair kidneys. Kidney health is more fragile than you might think, yet certain unexpected foods could be your secret weapon. Could these surprising ingredients be the key to restoring your kidney's strength? We're going to explore 10 odd foods that not only support kidney repair, but also improve overall kidney function in ways you might not expect. These unique foods could be the missing pieces in your diet, offering natural and effective ways to protect your kidneys. Before we dive in, please help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the like button. Your support can help others become aware of these important symptoms. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Kidneys Detox and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos packed with health tips and valuable information. Stay tuned till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will help you combat kidney disease without heavy medication. Let's get started. Number 10, dandelion greens. Often dismissed as weeds, dandelion greens are a nutritional powerhouse for kidney health. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, they act as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production to help flush out toxins. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that dandelion extract significantly boosts urine output, aiding in kidney detoxification. Additionally, these greens are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduces kidney strain. Incorporate them into your diet by adding their slightly bitter flavor to salads, smoothies, or sautéing them with garlic for a nutritious side dish. They're an easy and effective way to support kidney function naturally. While dandelion greens offer remarkable benefits, there's another food on this list that might surprise you with its dual role in kidney health and heart protection. Number 9, seaweed. Seaweed, a nutrient-dense food popular in coastal cuisines, is excellent for kidney health. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower cholesterol and maintain healthy blood vessels, including those supporting the kidneys. Seaweed is also a good source of iodine, which supports thyroid function and overall metabolism, indirectly benefiting kidney health. Varieties like kelp are low in potassium, making them ideal for those managing kidney issues. Seaweed is easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy it in sushi rolls, add it to salads, or enhance soups with its savory flavor. Roasted seaweed sheets also make a tasty, kidney-friendly snack. Up next, we'll reveal another unexpected food with potent kidney-repairing properties is waiting to be uncovered. Number 8, cranberries. Cranberries are a powerhouse for kidney health, especially in preventing urinary tract infections or UTI that can lead to severe kidney issues. These tart berries contain proanthocyanidins, compounds that stop bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract lining, reducing infection risk. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, cranberries help combat inflammation in the kidneys, benefiting those prone to kidney stones or chronic UTIs. Nutritionally, cranberries are low in calories, with just 25 calories per half cup of fresh cranberries. You can enjoy them fresh in smoothies or add dried cranberries to salads, sauces, and baked goods for a tangy twist. As we continue, you might be surprised to learn how one humble vegetable could change the way you think about kidney health. Number 7, cactus fruit. Cactus fruit, also known as prickly pear, offers surprising benefits for kidney health. Rich in vitamin C, this fruit provides antioxidant protection, shielding kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains betalains, anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce the risk of kidney damage. Additionally, cactus fruit supports blood sugar regulation, crucial for those managing diabetes, a common contributor to kidney disease. With its high fiber content, it aids digestion, further easing the burden on your kidneys. Enjoy cactus fruit fresh, in smoothies, or grilled for a smoky flavor. Its sweet tart taste also makes it ideal for homemade jams and salsas. Now, let's explore another unexpected food that could offer even more protection for your kidneys. Number 6, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a crunchy snack. They're packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Rich in magnesium, with around 150 milligrams per ounce, these seeds help prevent kidney stones by balancing calcium levels in your body. Additionally, their magnesium content supports heart health, which is crucial for maintaining proper kidney function. You can easily incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet. Enjoy them roasted for a satisfying snack, sprinkle them on salads for added texture, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Their nutty flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes, making them a versatile addition to your meals. While uncovering these kidney-friendly foods, it's crucial to recognize the hidden dangers lurking in your everyday diet. Many so-called healthy choices like spinach and almonds are loaded with oxalates, compounds that can lead to kidney stones if consumed in excess. And let's not forget the myth of all natural supplements, which often contain undisclosed additives that can stress your kidneys even more. The food industry profits from these misconceptions, but you have the power to make safer, informed choices. By carefully selecting foods that truly support kidney health, you can avoid these pitfalls and protect your well-being. Up next, we'll reveal another surprising food that could be silently sabotaging your kidneys. Number 5. Beets. Beets are a kidney health powerhouse, packed with natural nitrates that enhance blood flow and reduce kidney stress. Rich in antioxidants like betalains, beets fight inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting kidneys from damage. They also act as a natural diuretic, helping flush out toxins. Nutritionally, beets are high in folate, fiber, and vitamin C. Enjoy them roasted, pickled, or raw in salads for a sweet, earthy flavor. But there's a surprising food ahead that offers even more kidney-boosting benefits in an unexpected way. Number 4. Soursop. Soursop, a tropical fruit with a creamy texture, is rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, and fiber, making it excellent for kidney health. Its strong anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, enhancing their function and lowering the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease. Soursop also aids in regulating blood sugar levels, crucial for preventing kidney complications associated with diabetes. Enjoy soursop fresh, in smoothies, or as a base for desserts. Its tangy, refreshing flavor pairs well in fruit salads or as a juice with a hint of lime. While soursop offers these unique benefits, another powerful fruit on this list might just surprise you with its hidden kidney protective properties. Number 3. Barley water. Barley water is a powerful drink for kidney health. Acting as a natural diuretic, it boosts urine production, helping eliminate waste like uric acid, which can lead to kidney stones. Rich in dietary fiber, barley water also aids digestion, reducing strain on the kidneys. It provides essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins, supporting overall metabolic health. To prepare, simmer a quarter cup of barley grains in 4 cups of water until soft. Strain the liquid and enhance the flavor with a splash of lemon juice or honey. Regular consumption keeps you hydrated, helps flush toxins, and supports better kidney function, making it a simple yet effective addition to your diet. Next, we'll unveil another kidney-friendly food that's often praised for its surprising health benefits. Number 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a kidney-friendly choice thanks to their low potassium content, just 88 milligrams per half cup serving. This makes them ideal for those needing to manage their potassium levels. Rich in vitamin C, these peppers provide over 150% of your daily requirement, offering antioxidant protection and aiding collagen production, which supports kidney health. Versatile in the kitchen, red bell peppers can be enjoyed raw in salads, roasted to enhance their sweetness, or grilled for a smoky flavor. Their vibrant color and crisp texture make them a nutritious and delicious addition to various dishes. Before we unveil the number 1 food, let's take a moment to share some exciting news. To help you manage kidney disease more effectively, we're offering 3 extraordinary free gifts just for you. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Superfoods That Detox and Cleanse Your Kidneys Naturally. This isn't just a list. It's a collection of delicious and beneficial foods that can help you combat kidney disease naturally. Then, for those who love cooking, we're excited to present a special recipe book filled with snacks, meals, and desserts designed to lower creatinine levels and enhance kidney function. These recipes are both tasty and tailored to support your kidney health. Finally, you'll gain access to a groundbreaking video, the real root cause of kidney disease and how to eliminate it forever. In this video, a renowned kidney health expert reveals a simple 5-minute daily routine to effectively combat kidney disease. This is invaluable knowledge you don't want to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, just click on the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our countdown and reveal the number 1 food that stands as a pillar in the 10 odd foods that help repair kidneys. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice, is a potent ally for kidney health. Its active compound, curcumin, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A study in phytotherapy research found that curcumin significantly reduces kidney inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in kidney damage. Turmeric also supports healthy blood pressure, essential for reducing kidney strain. With just 1 teaspoon, you get 29 calories, 1 gram of protein, and valuable nutrients like manganese and iron. Adding turmeric to your diet is easy. Sprinkle it into curries, soups, or smoothies, or enjoy it as a soothing turmeric latte by simmering it with milk and a dash of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Regularly incorporating turmeric into your meals can help protect your kidneys naturally. So there you have it, 10 odd foods that help repair kidneys, from nutrient-rich dandelion greens to the powerful anti-inflammatory turmeric. Incorporating these unique foods into your diet can play a crucial role in enhancing kidney function and protecting against damage. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods before? Which one are you most interested in adding to your diet? Or perhaps you have other unique foods that have helped your kidney health. Share your experiences and any tips you have in the comments below. Your input could be invaluable to others seeking to improve their kidney health. If this video has provided valuable insights or reinforced your health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Kidneys Detox, and clicking the bell icon to ensure you never miss our new videos packed with crucial health tips. The Super Thanks feature is also a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Your contribution makes a difference in spreading life-saving information. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts linked in the description below. They're filled with actionable tips and delicious recipes to support your kidney health journey. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to a healthier, happier you.